August 2024 is the perfect time to explore the breathtaking beauty of Niagara Falls. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top tours you can enjoy this August. So, let's dive in. First up, experience the thrill of a lifetime with Niagara Falls Helicopter Tours. Soar above the falls and witness the majestic views from a bird's-eye perspective. It's an unforgettable adventure. Next, we have the top-rated Niagara Falls Tours from Toronto. These tours offer convenient pickups from the city and a comprehensive experience of Niagara Falls, including key attractions and local hotspots. For those seeking a more personalized experience, Niagara Falls Private Tours are the way to go. Customize your itinerary and enjoy a tailored tour with a dedicated guide. If you're coming from nearby cities, we have you covered with top-rated tours from various locations. Whether you're in Brampton, Mississauga, Hamilton, Oakville, Milton, Burlington, Markham, or Richmond Hill, there's a perfect tour waiting for you. And for those staying closer to the falls, check out our top-rated tours from Niagara Falls and Niagara-on-the-Lake. Discover the region's rich history, scenic beauty, and renowned wineries. Of course, no visit to Niagara Falls is complete without a boat tour. Get up close and personal with the mighty falls on one of the exhilarating Niagara Falls boat tours. Feel the mist on your face and the power of the falls all around you. From thrilling helicopter rides to serene private tours, and from bustling city departures to intimate boat experiences, August 2024 offers a multitude of ways to explore Niagara Falls. Book your tour today and make this summer unforgettable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ToNiagara for more amazing travel content. See you in Niagara Falls.